It can be beneficial to have a directly responsible organization that's governing your use of third-party code. For those perhaps unfamiliar, an OSPO or an open source program office, it's an organizational structure within your organization. Sometimes it's formal part of your organization, sometimes it's a little less formal. So OSPOs also often own or at least oversee open source policies, processes, approvals, etc. So if you have one, an OSPO could be a great resource to utilize for managing SBOMs. OSPOs typically already manage inventory of software to some degree, so they often become a logical choice for helping to manage SBOMs. For those unfamiliar with what an OSPO does, or an OSPO typically would serve as the center of open source expertise within your company. And again, it can be an ideal solution if you need a scalable method to manage and track your company's use of open source. Tools and processes, you want to make sure your tools and processes enable you to generate SBOMs. The only way to scale your SBOM efforts is with tooling that covers all of your organization's needs, alongside with an efficient process that allows you to identify and report on your software usage. It's important to ensure your SBOMs are both accurate and complete. As Tomas and I both said repeatedly throughout this presentation, you need to understand the potential for false positives and for false negatives. Accuracy is super important here. Component names, version ranges, unique identifiers. You don't want to lead yourself or anyone you provide an SBOM to a false sense of security.